Hello! In this video I'll show you how to work with the IntraWeb 17 extension in Visual Studio Code, from installation to running project and creating new pages. Let's start by preparing the environment. To make sure the extension works correctly, you will need three things: the latest version of Node.js. Download it from the official website and install it like a regular application. TypeScript. Make sure it's installed by running the command ts-v in the terminal. If the system doesn't recognize the command, install TypeScript manually. Google Chrome. It's used for debugging and automatically project launching. Currently, the extension only works on the Windows operation system. Once everything is ready, we can move to installation the extension. Open Visual Studio Code, go to the extension tab and type IntraWeb in the search bar. Select the required extension and install it. Now let's see what exactly the expansion adds to the VS Code interface. A separate IntraWeb icon will appear in the left panel. After clicking it, you'll see a menu with three sections. The first tab, creating and configuring project. The second, a link to the developer's website. The third, access to the official documentation, where you can find all information about the framework. Let's move on to creating the first project with ready-made demos. Choose a new workspace, specify that you want to use TypeScript. Mark that you want demos project and then select the directory where all files will be placed. As a result, you will get a full set of demos project ready to be opened, explored and launched. To run any demos, select a project as active. Just right-click on its root folder and choose Set as Active Project. A rocket icon will appear on the folder. This means the project is ready to run. Now simply press F5 or run it through the Run and Debug panel, and the extension will automatically open the application in Google Chrome. Let's return to the editor and stop the extension. Next, we'll create a new project with a basic structure for our own development. Let's name it a new project. The extension will automatically set it as active. Let's take a look at the project structure. It includes several important files. HTML markup. You can edit it with Visual Designer or open the raw markup by right-clicking and selecting Edit HTML as text. The TypeScript logic file, this is where the page behavior is implemented. IntraWeb.json, a service configuration file for the project. Creating new project is also very simple. Just right-click in any open root directory and select Create IntraWeb Project. Then specify a name. You can also set this new project as active and run it immediately. The last important feature is creating new pages. In the project menu, select New IntraWeb page, and a minimal IntraWeb and TS structure for the page will be generated automatically. For detailed information on working with page, components and the framework capability, refer to the documentation available in the extensions menu. Now you know how to quickly start working with IntraWeb 17 in Visual Studio Code. Install the extension, create project, run demos and add new pages. Thank you for watching and good luck working with IntraWeb.